Hello and welcome back to our Creative Corner, where we bring you the most innovative home decor ideas. Today, we'll show you how to make 5 super impressive and one-of-a-kind wall decorations that will add style and ambience to your living space in this video. So, gather your artistic talents, and let's get started. 1. Nature-inspired wall hangings. For our first idea, let's combine nature and art. Nature-inspired wall hangings can help you create a relaxing atmosphere. All you need is a branch or driftwood, some strong string, and some decorative elements like feathers or dried flowers. Attach the items to the branch or driftwood with the string, and you're done. A lovely nature-inspired wall hanging. 2. Vintage plate wall display. Vintage plates aren't just for eating, they can also be used to create an eye-catching wall display. Gather plates in a variety of sizes, patterns, and colors from second-hand shops, antique markets, or even from your grandmother's cupboard. Once you're satisfied with the layout, hang them on the wall with plate hangers or adhesive hooks. 3. Geometric wall art. Geometric wall art creates a bold and trendy style in any room. To create this striking decor, you'll need some wooden sticks or metal rods, paint in your chosen colors, and a strong glue. Collect pieces of wood or metal rods, paint them bright colors, arrange them into geometric shapes like triangles, hexagons, or squares, and glue them to the wall. The result is a modern and visually striking wall decoration that will become a conversation starter. 4. Book page wall art. It's a handmade way to express your love of reading while also infusing vintage charm into your home. Collect old books, a frame or canvas, and some glue. Tear out pages from favorite books or those that have seen better days. Secure with glue, and you're done. A literary masterpiece that adds elegance and personality to any room. 5. Book page wall art. Choose patterns that are unusual, such as geometric shapes, vintage maps, or botanical prints. Cover one accent wall in your room to add depth and visual interest. This creative wallpaper technique will make your space stand out, attracting attention and initiating conversations.